What if power lines disappeared? Finland is testing a way to transmit electricity through the air without physical wires. Instead of traditional cables, this technology uses electromagnetic fields to send energy from one point to another. Think of it like Wi-Fi, but for electricity. The idea isn't brand new. Nikola Tesla dreamed about wireless power over 100 years ago. But now, with modern tech, it's becoming more realistic. This could power streetlights, remote villages, electric vehicles, even disaster zones without miles of expensive cables. No wires, less infrastructure, faster deployment.